Good morning. So today is 21st May and तुम लोग सोच रहे होगे ग्रेस इतनी सुबह सुबह क्यों उठी है. लाइक 6:13 हो रहा है और ग्रेस इतनी सुबह सुबह क्यों उठी है. तो क्यों उठी है क्योंकि कल रात को
Welcome to Grace channel. And as you know all, this lockdown, you, me, all, we have put on weight, and even Grace, and she is not doing anything much about it, and she's neither serious. So I'm going to give her some challenge. Weight loss is going to be a big challenge for her, as she loves eating and she loves biryani. I'll tell you. So let's see. I'm going to give a 30 days challenge. In there, she has to really cut off with the food, a lovely food which she always likes to hog a lot. And go for morning walks, do exercise, and I'll see that she does that everything, and then we'll all see her maybe a little change or maybe a more change. Let's see. And now let's see what she's doing. It's just next to me, so we'll just tell her hi. So Grace,
what
are you ready
for
something?
You don't know how to catch the camera. So guys, Mama is vlogging for the first time, so I'm catching the camera.
Okay, so are you ready for something new?
What?
And dancing and making videos,
What?
which will help you.
What? In what? 3,
And this?
0.
No,
and
this
that.
is 3 and 0.
हाँ, so
30 days.
what 30 days? 30 days कर रही है काली.
भूल गई वापस.
अरे तो करना क्या है? 30 days बोलेगी.
30 days you'll have to do exercise.
For
You
what?
have to eat whatever I give you.
My people love me when I'm chubby.
No. I don't want this chubbiness. I want this chubbiness to come in. My chubbiness is too much.
So cute na guys. Guys, by the way, how's my mehndi?
Okay. Nice. She has done that. And she's going to do for me today. Okay. So you'll have to first of all get up in the morning and go for jogging. Then you'll follow the diet what I'll give you. Yes. And then you have to exercise and do whatever I tell.
And what if I don't do?
Okay.
What if I don't do?
No, you have to do it.
Why?
Because I'm telling you.
Not
Okay?
excited at all.
Oh my god. You have to do or
Or
I'll take your mobile.
हाँ, you'll take my mobile, nice. And what? अच्छा, okay, wait. Come here, mommy. Challenge, ठीक है?
हाँ.
If I do 30 days challenge and if I lose weight, what will I get?
It's never what you get.
No,
It's never
I
what
need
you get. It's never what you get.
no. I need an achievement
You
surprise.
will gain something.
अच्छा, okay, I'll gain. Okay, ठीक है, but I need an achievement surprise, like a gift or something.
Let's see.
No, let's see. I want.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
We'll see. At least you have to lose weight around 5 or 10.
Not lose
kg.
weight, at least get in shape.
Okay. First come in shape. Let's see.
Okay.
So, do you have a double chin?
No, I'm not putting this. Don't unsubscribe, guys.
Okay, let's see guys. What shall she do? Why she's hiding me? She only wants her focus.
It's my channel.
Oh. Okay.
फिर भी कमेंट तो मम्मी के आने वाले.
And even I will do hidingly and let's see.
Okay,
who
let's
is
see.
First.
Challenge. We both will start.
Yeah, channel.
मम्मी gave me a challenge. मम्मा ने मुझे 30 days challenge दिया है that I have to do weight loss. So actually the thing is that I wouldn't do this challenge because मैं cheat करती. So मम्मा ने उसको shoot कर लिया करके वो मेरे को ऐसे बोली करके तू ग्रेस ये लॉकडाउन मतलब कि ग्रेस तू ये डाल like she told me that post every day on YouTube like your workout journey, your weight loss journey. So I was like, okay. So I am gonna share with you my weight loss journey, like 30 days, 30 YouTube videos, where I'll be showing you all what exercise I'm doing, what I'm eating, how am I losing my weight, so and what all I'm doing to lose my weight. So let's see how much weight do I lose, and come with me in this journey. So now it's around 6:13, like almost 6:15, and मैं जाने वाली नीचे वॉक पे, जॉग पे, वट एवर यू कॉल इट. सो या, एंड ऑल्सो आई एम सेइंग पहले मॉर्निंग का ड्रिंक पी लेते. सो आई टेल यू व्हाट आई एम ड्रिंकिंग. So I'll just add a small tube. I'll add like a cup of water, like how much ever you want to drink, you have to add it. Then I'll just add like 2-3 tablespoons of jeera. It helps like a fast metabolism. Also you can add methi if you want. And then I'll just cover it and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes. And voila, it's done. The color should be this. And then I'll just strain it. And then I'll just squeeze like a half lemon, like a quarter lemon, and I'll just mix it. So here's my jeera water, and you must drink this water like before eating something, like empty stomach. And guys, you must drink this, like it has so many benefits. It helps to boost your metabolism, sugar control में आता है, digestion, it helps in digestion, and you must have jeera water like twice a day. Like between my mama used to give me this every day in the morning, and I had lost weight. But you know me, I love to eat, so I ate and again I'm become. So yeah, अब देखते हैं 30 days में क्या होता है क्या नहीं. So I'll finish this and then we'll go down change करके. So I'm done drinking this last का बहुत नींबू ऐसा. I'm not drinking. So चलो now let's go down. I'm come down for a walk and look who's joined me. ये सुबह उठ गया जल्दी, कैसे पता नहीं, बट अब मैं बाहर भी नहीं जा पाऊँगी इसकी वजह से.
जा सकती है चल.
वक्त छोटा नहीं है, बाहर कैसे लेके जाऊँ. So चलो लेट्स वॉक. मैंने गलती कर दी इसको लाके, है ना.
नहीं,
चल ही नहीं रहा है, इतना स्लो कौन चलता है.
खुद का पैर दुख रहा है.
सो अब मैं घर जा रही हूँ. ऑलमोस्ट हमने बहुत वॉक किया. सो शाम को फिर से आएंगे वॉक करने, क्योंकि इसने बराबर मुझे करने नहीं दिया. सो सी यू. सो फॉर माई ब्रेकफास्ट आई एम हैविंग पोहा. इट्स अ नाइस लाइक light breakfast you can say. So now I'll have this, and then I will sit for some time, and then I'll start working out. Workout time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Hi. Oh shit. Workout is done, and I'm very tired. So today we did belly burn fat workout, and now we'll do skipping for some height. So I just took a quick shower, got all fresh, and so basically for my lunch I'm having, wait I'll show you. For my lunch I'm having like a methi ka paratha or whatever you call it, without oil. Like there's no oil, like, and I have some prawns, like a baked prawns, and some onions, and a whole glass of cold water. Now why cold water? Because you have just worked out, and your body is like hot from inside, so you need to have cold water, otherwise pimples आ जाएंगे, सब हो जाएगा. So now I'll just quickly have my lunch, and I'll take a power nap. I'll sleep for an hour, because as you know my routine is up. And because I used to sleep at 3, wake up at 12, 1, and now achanak now I'm waking up at 6:30, so I need to have some nap. So I'll just take a quick nap and then we'll go down for some walk. So I'll just quickly finish my lunch and then see you after my nap. Bye. Have you ever experienced this, like आप जब भी चाहो कि आप डाइट करो घर पे इससे स्वादिष्ट खाने आते हैं? So basically
मेरे लिए चिकन पॉपकॉर्न आ रहे, संडे को ये बन रहेगा मंचूरियन और बिरयानी.
मैं क्या करूँ, मैं मर जाऊँ?
हाँ,
मतलब अभी चिकन पॉपकॉर्न आ रहा है घर में जो मैं खा नहीं सकती. एंड
मैं खाऊंगा.
और गेस व्हाट, अभी इतने टाइम से मेरे घर पे पापड़ नहीं आया था. ठीक है, अभी आई एम ऑन अ डाइट, आई एम डूइंग दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड घर पे पापड़ आ रहा है.
वो भी साबुदाना.
मतलब मैं क्या करूँ? तो बार बार ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है? मतलब मैं क्या करूँ जिंदगी में? ऐसे लोग जब
अभी आएगा वो.
अभी डैड आएगा, डैड चिकन पॉपकॉर्न लाएगा, फिर
अच्छा तेरे सामने ऐसा करूंगा और तू खाएगी, मैं बोल दूंगा कमेंट में.
मैंने खाऊंगा.
थंबनेल निकाल. थंबनेल
अच्छा
थंबनेल
किच्चू वाला थंबनेल डालूंगी मैं.
नहीं, घर बंद कर.
चलो बाय. अब डैड आएंगे फिर मैं बताती हूँ.
अब बगर है.
What you got?
Chicken crispy burger.
Why today only?
So you can have.
I can't have.
That's okay.
तू ज़्यादा डांस मत कर.
You should have told me, no?
मैं खाऊंगा ग्रेस का.
Shut up.
सबके लिए लाया मैंने burger.
ग्रेस का मैं खाऊंगा ना बन. ये डाइटिंग पे.
Hi. Back with Melroy. So now we are just walking. We will walk like for almost hour or 2. है ना?
सही है, पतले हो जाएंगे.
गाइस पतले होंगे. देखो हम पतले हैं, हम और पतले हो जाएंगे. ये पतला हो गया, मैं होंगी जल्दी. ये सब कब से बोलने लग गया भाई ये. हाँ बस.
कट कर.
ओके सो नाउ वी जस्ट वॉक एंड जब घर जाऊंगी तब डिनर करके फिर हम जल्दी सो जाएंगे. आज कल सुबह फिर से जल्दी उठ के जॉब पे जाना है. सो बाय. एंड वी आर वॉकिंग. द स्काईज लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. बस I don't know if you can see me, light is very bad, but सुबह मैं 2000 स्टेप्स चल रही थी जसमिन था, तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं चल पाई, तो मैं अब चल रही हूँ. एंड अभी हमने कंप्लीट किया ऑलमोस्ट 8,000 स्टेप्स, तो टोटल हो गया 10,000 स्टेप्स. एंड अभी हमने पानी ब्रेक लिया, हम थक चुके हैं. हाय, सो आई एम बैक होम एंड नाउ आई एम क्लाइंबिंग स्टेयर्स घर तक जाने के लिए. No lift, you're cancelled, and I don't know if you can see me properly because light बहुत गंदा है, like obviously. Hi. So see you. मैं घर जाऊँगी, नहाऊँगी and then I'll catch you. Bye. Now it's dinner time and dinner I'm doing at 9 o'clock. उसके आगे नहीं करने का. Actually I had to eat at 8 o'clock but then फिर मम्मी ने खाना नहीं बनाया था. So मैं अभी 9 बजे खा रही हूँ, but actually you have to eat at 8, around 8, and then उसके बाद you must not eat anything. So now for my lunch I'm having roti, like without oil. I have over here curry and prawn curry. I have some veggies salad. And guys check it out, मेरा diet चल रहा है and मैं यहाँ पे sinful foodie के food vlogs देख रही हूँ. Like what all I used to eat rice, I used to eat bread, I used to eat wafers, and now I'm eating this. Sad life, but okay. कुछ करना है तो कुछ. To gain something you have to lose something. Also, you know, like after working out and all, I'm sweating, and also literally my face is glowing. So now that is it. I'll do my dinner and then I'll go to sleep. Like I'll go to sleep by 10. I'll watch a film, like I'm watching Mary Com, so I'll continue that. after watching Sinful Foodie ke food vlogs. So after that I'll watch Mary Com and then I'll sleep by 10 and then subah ut ke again the same, like, yeah. So I'll upload this vlog first and then. Also, to all the people out there, this is like a motivation for all of you guys. Like, I'm also taking this motivation because I wouldn't take, but mama challenged me, so yeah. And seeing this, you all you lovely people who just want to lose some weight, take this as a motivation. I will post every day, like 30 days, 30 videos of me, like my day-to-day routine, like what am I doing, what am I eating for my weight loss, what exercise I'm doing. I'll post everything daily, so you guys check it out, take some motivation and do it. Like we can do it, so yeah, we will do it. So the shout out for today's video goes to Krasto, Ayushi Khatri and Harini Joshi. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you want a shout out on my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section that you have subscribed. So thank you so much for watching. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.